Angkinin Mo Ako. That is the latest BMX movie that we're going to review. Hello everyone, what is up? This is a Saturday edition of Saturday night's main event of BMX, only on Harriet. If you like this video, pakilike na lang po, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa Saturday night's main event. Okay, so what is Angkinin Mo Ako? It's a lawyer drama movie starring Isabel, played by Cesc Garcia. Cesc Garcia, you know her from Fantasia, from yung movie ni Aziz Khan Angelicam. That was her first full-length movie. Uh, High on Sex Season 2, ano rin siya. And then we got a newcomer here. She is Dara Lima. Sorry for mispronouncing that. Dara Lima. We also have Juan Paulo Calma. Kaya pala familiar yung itsura. Ang layo ng ano ng itsura ni Juan Paulo Calma dito Yun sa nilagyan lang siya ng salamin tapos binigyan ng mas matalinong karakter. Iba na siya dun sa mga naging karakter niya sa Kiskisan na medyo manyak, di ba? Oo, siya pala yun. Si Juan Paulo Calma rin ba yung dun sa last movie ni ni sino ba yun? Si Stella, yung gumanap na Stella, Julia Victoria. Ayun. Yung sa last movie, yung Sisid. Oo. Sisid Marino, ayun. Sisid pala yung kay Paolo Gumabaw. So, si Juan Paulo Calma rin dun, manyak rin siya dun. Si Atasca, di ba, inano niya? Pinondel niya yung boobs ni Atasca. Well, anyway, let's not get sidetracked. So, I'm here to review this law-inspired movie na Angkinin Mo Ako. So, si Juan Paulo Calma ay ay isang hinar na tutor. He is a law student, first year law student, at meron siyang mga invulnerabilities sa law kasi medyo bagito pa siya. Pero ang pinakamahinang aspect niya sa law is family law. It is evident kasi sa family law na it reflects yung current status ng family niya na medyo sira. So, we're just gonna leave it at that. He was hired by Isabel Bernabe, isang abogado de Campanilla. And right from the start, she has the hots for this man. As in, natapunan lang ng kape, inalis yung jacket. Isabel, bigla lang kagat labi sa likod ni Mr. Juan Paulo Calma. I forgot the character name. Sorry. Okay. Then, we get to introduce Sheena Cole as Eunice and Zoe as Dara Lima as Zoe. Okay. Sila yung tututoran nitong ni Juan Paulo Calma. Which is weird. He is a law student, pero ang tinututor niya is medical school. So unless na he will do a double degree for medicine and law, which will take an absurd amount of time, well, kudos to him. So, ayun. Tinuturuan niya ng mga medical terms. Nursing ata si Zoe, kaya ganun Well, anyway, yeah, tutor siya. At imbes na, makinig sa tutor yung dalawang babae na si Zoe saka si Eunice, they're just gooning to their own tutor. We're seeing Eunice, played by Sheena Cole, placing her finger on her mouth at the line of sight ng tutor nilang si Juan Paulo Calma. Tapos, they did this in Ackland, naghaligan sila, naghaligan si Zoe sa Isabel, pumasok yung tutor, at doon na sila nag quote-unquote threesome. It's not really a threesome kasi hindi naghubad si Dara Lima. Ang naghubad lang si Sheena Cole at siya lang yung pinasukan. It's more like the tutor na si Juan Paulo Calma kinakanyod itong si Eunice habang nakikipaghaligan lang siya kay Dara Lima. kahit nakikipagaligan siya kay Isabel. Iyon yung aking, yun yung aking masasabi. Yun yung aking makikikwento. Di ba? Uh, cool. 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 Okay. Most likely, ginawa yun para ireserba sa susunod na eksena si Dara Limo kasi doon na siya naghubad talaga. Nag-strapless siya na bra. And I think that's the last scene ni Dara Lima sa pelikula. Because the next scenes, si Ces Garcia na yung katalik ni ni ano, ni Juan Paulo Calma. Sure, Juan Paulo and Dara Lima are in a relationship, but Juan Paulo is moonlighting Ces Garcia's character na si Isabel Bernabe. Isa sa mga conversation ni Juan Paulo Calma is that Isabel is the lawyer ng isang kumpanya na nag-take away ng mga, na nangaagaw ng lupain sa mga tao. And yun, yung nag-ano nang hinanakit si Juan Paulo Calma dito kay Isabel. Si Isabel, may hinanakit rin kasi sira rin yung kanyang samahan with Zoe dahil ayaw niya makita yung ina nila. Yung ina nila is a prostitute at ginawang prostitute itong si Isabel nung 14 years old siya before she was a lawyer. And dahil doon, nagkaroon siya ng bitterness towards her mother which sent her to the asylum. Dahil doon, nagtalik yung dalawa. It's a weird reason to have sex. Pero sige, sure, why not? Ayun. On, after tutoran ni Juan Paulo Calma si Dara, si Zoe, hinanap niya yung kwarto ni Isabel, nakita niya si Isabel, naka-nightgown, at nagtalik sila. And then, for some reason, Juan Paulo will help uh, will help Zoe na makita yung kanyang ina. It was off in this moment kasi Juan Paulo obviously has the hots for Zoe, ay for Isabel and Zoe. It's weird. Pero tinulungan niya si Dara, makita yung kanyang ina, ayun yung ina, nagkwento, si Isabel daw yung nagsunog sa kanya, ginawa daw aksidente, bla bla bla. Yun. Which leads to the proposal na magpakasal si Juan Paulo saka si Zoe para malapalabas si Zoe sa anino ng kanyang ate. Yun. It turns out na yung nanay na kausap ni Dara Lima na akala niya nanay niya, nanay ni Juan Paulo Calma pala, na biktima ng korporasyon na pinagtatrabahuan ni Isabel as an attorney. At ginawa yun para makaganti siya kay attorney Isabel at makuha yung pera. Alam to ni Isabel kasi inispy niya si Dara sa si Juan Paulo. Pero pumayag rin siya magpakasal. Kailangan kasi ng parental authority. Since mahina si Juan Paulo Calma sa parental laws and family law, di niya na-catch yun. So, yun. Pumayag naman si Ces Garcia at nag-goodbye seg sila. Then, araw ng kasal, nag-aido ito si Dara Lima at naiwan tayo anong sasagot ni Juan Paulo Calma. Feeling ko, nag-I don't itong si Juan Paulo Calma. Kasi, sa araw mismo ng kasal, bago sila pumunta sa huwes, parang may face of regret itong si Juan Paulo. Okay? Na sa pagkakasal. He is like becoming the evil corporation. Yung nanay niya para nagiging ring masama. And pure-hearted ito kasi si Juan Paulo. He was just coerced by his mother to exact revenge against the Bernabe family. At ayaw niya rin niya masaktan itong si Zoe. And parang in-establish rin sa simula ng pelikula na gusto niya magtatwa sa lawyer. So what I felt is there is also symbolism sa dulo. Yung si Dara sa si Ces. Parang nangyari, mas focus kay Dara, then bigla nag-focus kay Ces at naging blurry si Dara. I think that is good foreshadowing na hindi tinuloy ni Juan Paulo Calma yung kasal niya kay Zoe. Well, that's my theory ko lang yun, pero I think that's a good theory to work with. Okay. So what do we have here? What are we going to give this movie a rating? So punta tayo sa tier list natin. Okay. So, Mr. Juan Paulo Calma, Miss Ceci Garcia, I'm going to give you your movie with coherent storytelling, and it's all right. Like, okay, it's all right. Like, it's a nice movie. The mature scenes are pretty mid, to be honest. Like, yung threesome, hindi niya pinahubad si Dara, mas pinahubad niya sa susunod na eksena. Also, napaka-exhausting yung sex after sex after sex after sex na scenes. I wish they would have spaced it out. But the story is fine. You take the sex out of the way, I think it's fine. You know? Yeah, it's a very fine movie. It's alright. That, my friend, is my review. Tomorrow we will be reviewing Bagong Tukso. Baka feature yun, so di ko alam. So kung feature yun, di ko na yung reviewin. So, bleh. We're going to see you next Saturday for my next review, yung Serena, where Micaela Ras is a scary mer woman that is getting gangbanged by a bunch of fishermen. Peace.